Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the home city on your Casio GA-2100. So this is going to work for all variants that have the module 5611. So what you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and as you can see right here we had Liz and then you have Lisbon. So the first thing, it will show you the abbreviation of the city, and then it's going to show you the full name. So we are now in Portugal, so that is why we have Lisbon right here. And you can use the two buttons on the right in order to go east and west. So I'm going to press the start button. You can see London, Madrid, Paris, Rome, and so on, Berlin, Stockholm, Athena, and a lot of other cities. You have both capitals and cities that have different time zones. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can actually see those time zones. You need to find a city that coincides with the time zone that you have. I'm going to go backwards to Lisbon. And once you have done that, you can move even further. So press the mode button in order to set the time and date. And once everything is done, press the adjust button and you are done. You now have the home city that you desired. That was the quick tutorial, guys. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see other watch related content, watch tutorials, watch restorations, and I'm going to see you on the next video.